What is zinc, and why does it matter?
Zinc is an essential mineral that supports immune health, wound healing, taste and smell, and growth. Even small deficiencies can affect your body in many ways. Because our bodies don't store much zinc, it's important to get enough through food or supplements. Recognizing zinc deficiency early helps protect your health and restore balance.
What are the most common signs of zinc deficiency?
Common symptoms of zinc deficiency include frequent infections, slow wound healing, and loss of appetite. You might also notice changes in taste or smell, hair loss, or dry skin. In children, zinc deficiency can lead to slowed growth and delayed development. If you notice several of these signs, it may be time to consider your zinc intake.
How does zinc deficiency affect the immune system?
A lack of zinc can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to colds, infections, and even pneumonia. Zinc is crucial for producing and activating immune cells. If you're getting sick often or taking longer than usual to recover, zinc deficiency could be part of the cause.
Who is most at risk of zinc deficiency?
Certain groups are more at risk for zinc deficiency. Vegetarians, people with digestive disorders, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and older adults may have a higher risk. Limited access to a balanced diet or excessive alcohol intake can also contribute. Being aware of your risk can help guide dietary choices.
How can you restore healthy zinc levels?
To restore zinc balance, eat foods rich in zinc, like meat, shellfish, nuts, seeds, dairy, and whole grains. Some people may benefit from supplements, but check with your healthcare provider before starting them. A varied and balanced diet is usually the safest way to get enough zinc and maintain your health.
When should you seek medical advice?
If you suspect zinc deficiency and experience persistent symptoms like frequent illness, hair loss, or delayed healing, consult a health professional. Blood tests can identify deficiencies and guide safe, effective treatments. Don't self-diagnose. Get professional advice for long-term well-being.